Foreigner.
Well, it's been sort of a humdrum kind of day across the area. It wasn't necessarily real nice outside because it was cloudy all day long, but temperatures still weren't that bad. Even right now, it's 46 degrees. Winds have been much lighter today versus yesterday. Temperatures not quite as warm as they were yesterday because of the cloud cover, but in most areas, we still managed to sneak into the 50s. 53 here in Springfield, actually one of the cooler readings on the map, but that's still way above normal for early January. You can see we had that one cold snap in a sea of warmth, which goes back into December and now here into early January. And that's really the pattern we're looking at for the next couple of weeks. Temperatures, which when they get cold will tend to be near normal, and when they get warm, they're going to be much above normal. And I'll show you that, my thoughts on how the next few weeks are going to go and beyond here in just a second. Right now, again, pretty quiet out there. You see the green on the map right here. The northwest edge of that, we're not actually finding rain in those areas. The rain, you have to go a little bit further southeast, areas like Sharp County into southeast Missouri is where we're finding rain actually making it to the surface. And speaking of rain, some very heavy rainfall occurring earlier today from Louisiana into Mississippi along a front. That front now on the move, so that heavy rainfall and flash flooding threat is easing up, but some places seeing close to 6 inches of rainfall. This storm coming across the deep south also sort of bottling up the moisture, sort of hogging all of the moisture closer to the center, not really allowing that moisture to get into our area. So we're not finding much in the way of rain chances as all of this moves through. We're finding, yes, a lot of clouds, but really just a chance for a few light showers overnight tonight. That's mainly going to be south of the interstate, and then that's it for the most part. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. Again, this is through midnight. Again, a few light rain showers out there across areas of southern Missouri and northern Arkansas through 3 o'clock in the morning. And then after that, it looks like we're looking at just cloudy skies to start off the day on Friday. And as I mentioned, it looks like if you get some light shower activity tonight, it's going to tend to be south of the interstate. I really don't expect anything north of the interstate. As far as Friday is concerned, it looks like we're going to hold on to a lot of clouds, especially across south central Missouri, north central Arkansas, but areas west of Highway 65 especially, I think the clouds are going to thin out some as we work into the afternoon and through the afternoon. Temperatures tonight will slowly fall through the 40s. Ultimately, maybe shortly after sunrise, we bottom out around 39 here in Springfield, and then tomorrow, as those clouds thin out in the afternoon, that'll allow temperatures to recover a bit, and it looks like we'll make it up to maybe near 45 here in Springfield. Winds out of the northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now, all week long, I've been looking at this scenario for the potential of maybe some snow showers or snow flurries. And I still think that that potential is there. We've got a pocket of upper level storminess, which is going to be rotating through this trough, and it's going to be moving across the area. And that may be enough to squeeze out some snow showers or snow flurries. It looks like that's going to tend to be northeast of Springfield overnight, Friday night, possibly to about sunrise on Saturday. And I expect little to no impact out of that. But just throwing that out there as a possibility. Looking ahead, a lot of you wondering, well, when is the winter cold really going to set in? I think we're looking at near to above normal temperatures continuing probably through the middle of the month. I also think that things are going to trend stormier, and we're going to have to watch the storm track like we had late December with that one sneaky severe weather event. Depending on the storm track, it may now allow just enough warm air into the area so that we could see some winter severe weather potential. So I'll be watching for that. I think winter weather in this pattern through the middle of the month is going to be a little tough to come by. It's not completely off the table, but it's going to be tough to come by. And as far as what I expect beyond that, I still think we're looking at cold coming. I just think it's going to be late this month, and I think February into March is probably where we're going to find the colder than normal conditions, and with that we'll probably see our winter weather chances go up as well. 1992-93, that winter is a winter that I think we're kind of paralleling pretty closely. Here's our 7-day forecast. Again, you can see the chill into the front end of the weekend. Back into the weekend, though, looking nice with sunshine and highs in the low 50s. Another cold snap early next week, and then temperatures pop back up by the middle of next week.
Definitely Sunday's looking nice. If you still got some Christmas lights out, it might be a nice chance to pull them off the house.
Yes, I think that's a good idea, John.
All right. Viewers Club, first one of the new year.
We've had to reset our jackpot back to $100 because we're at the beginning of a year and the beginning of this month, and our winning number tonight is 235988.
And we hope you give away a lot of